Hi friends, now in this video we will see about the new feature, new concept, not feature, new concept in the ES6, that is reflect. So what is this reflect? So we can also call it as reflect API also. So then what is this reflect? Reflect is nothing but what we can say is this is also one way of creating an object. Okay, you can ask me, so there are so many methods, there are so many ways how we can create an object in the JavaScript or ES6. We can use direct curly brace extension, we can create an object. Okay, we can create an object using new by creating a class or by creating constructor function. We by using the new operator we can create an object, or otherwise we can create an object with the object like thing, new object, something like that we can create, or otherwise we can use with object.define we can do, or otherwise we can use with the object.create. So many ways are there by for creating an object using this one object.create. So many ways we have seen. Okay, so these all ways, so sometimes what we can say, this one consists of the global methods, nothing but what we can say, it's a new object we can do object dot create. So object is a global thing, so we will be having dot create. These are all the global methods and all those things. So there is no single method, something like this, a single way to create an object and all those things. So for this reason in the ES6 what they have come is, they have came up with a solution, not a solution, something like that. They want to keep everything for creating an object, doing whatever the things we want to do with the object. So whatever the things we want to do object, if we do with under one thing, under one class or under one constructor or anything, if we do these all the things, so it would be better. So in order to remember all these global objects and all those things, object.create, object.define, these are all the things. If we instead of remembering these all things, if we have under one under one guidance or something, under one umbrella or something like that, if it is, it will be better, something like that. So they have created in ES6 reflect API. Okay, so the reflect API, what they will be doing is, it is not, it's a built-in object. Okay, reflect is a built-in object that is introduced in the ES6, so which will be used to create an object or anything. Okay, if you go and search for the reflect thing in the JavaScript, okay, reflect JavaScript or otherwise ES6. Okay, reflect ES6, if you try to search, here you will be able to see JavaScript MDN in the Mozilla Developer Network. You will be able to see. Okay, global objects. Okay, global objects reflect. So here you will be able to see the reflect object. So what we can say is, it's a built-in object. Okay, one thing, it's a built-in object. So reflect cannot be, you cannot use that reflect with a new operator. So it cannot be create something like new reflect or something like that. We cannot be create it with the new operator. All the reflect methods what are present in the reflect are all static methods. That means you need to call with reflect dot method name, reflect dot method name, something like that. You will begin here, you will be able to see all properties and methods of the reflect are static. Okay, just like math object or anything. So these are static. You will be able to see all the static methods here, how you will be what are, these are all the static methods. So you will be able to see here set prototype, reflect dot set prototype. We have seen that object dot set prototype of, we have seen previously in the videos. So here all we have seen get prototype. So everything is related to the object creation. So if you want to do any manipulations, or if you want to create any object, or if you want to change the prototype or anything, if you want to do, you can do all all the manipulations or operations, everything that comes under the object, you can do using the reflecting. So this all comes under one umbrella, so that if you know the reflect thing, you can do whatever the, you can create an object and you can do anything. So let's now in this one, in this video, we will see simple example how we can create an object using reflect API or reflect. Okay, now I will try to create a constructor function. Constructor function means nothing but what we can see, we can create a person like this, and you can create let person is equal to new person, something like that is a constructor function, right? If by this way you can create. Now what is it, according to the ES process, what will we will try to create class. Okay, this one also we can create an we can create an object. Now I can create let person is equal to, I am trying to create an object. How I can create new person like this, right? So now object is created automatically. Now we will try to create using the reflect API. Okay, in order to create an object using the reflect, we will be using reflect, okay, dot construct. Okay, reflect dot construct. So you will be not having any new operator or anything, new reflect or something like that. We will be not having any method like that. These are all static methods present in the reflect. So reflect dot construct we will be creating, and this one accepts 3 arguments. Okay, first one is the function name or the class name, whatever the thing you will be having, person. Okay, next one is the arguments. If you have any arguments for the function or any class, if you want to send any arguments, you will be sending the arguments here. For example, here I have the constructor. Let's think I am having a name. Okay, here I am having this dot name is equal to name, and here I will send using here as Leela. Okay, now I will try to print the person. If I try to print the person here, let's see what could be the thing. If I try to print here, I am able to see here object name is Leela. So that means a new object has been created for the person. Now let's check whether this person is an instance of that class or not. We will see. So person is instance of that person or not, we will see. Okay, now if I check here, I am getting it as true. That means we have created a new object that is nothing but the instance of the class person. Okay, using this reflect.construct also you can create an object. Now we will check what could be the prototype of this one. So whether that prototype of this object person is equal to the class prototype or not, we will check. Person dot underscore underscore proto is equal to what we can say, person dot prototype, right? Now if I try to check here, I am getting true. That means whatever the object I have created for the class person, the prototype is nothing but the class prototype only. This person prototype also we are having. Now I want to change the prototype of this object. Okay, if I want to change the prototype, I want to give my own object or anything prototype I want to give. Now I will create another class or something like this. Okay, you can create a class or you can create a function also. So I will be creating something like sample or anything. Okay, this one is basic function sample. Now what I will try to do is I will try to send this one. So third argument is an optional argument, that is nothing but the prototype. If you want to assign any custom prototype, for this object, you can assign it as a third argument as this one. So now I am giving sample of my object to this one. Now I want to check whether this person.prototype is person.prototype or not. If I try to check here, now it got false. Now I will try to check whether this sample.prototype, this person.prototype is equal or not. If I try to check here, I am getting it as true. So that means the person prototype has been changed to the sample prototype now. So this way we can assign, or we can use our custom prototypes, we can assign to an object, and also we can create an object using reflect.construct. Okay, so this is how we can create an object using Reflect API. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below to this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.